how to enable or disable warn about malicious sites for Samsung Internet on the Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, tap on the menu button, then tap on the settings. Now in the Internet settings, we go down and tap on Privacy Dashboard. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Warn About Malicious Sites. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now tap on the left hand side panel. We'll give you some more information if there are any malicious sites has been detected. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the web page or go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.